G'day guys. So today I might show you guys how to do a bit of surface rust repair. You know, it's dark back here, but got some surface rust. I'm going to clean that up. That's probably the worst part there, and in here where these bolts are. So I'm going to get all this cleaned up, and I'll put them bolts and stuff in something. But I'm just going to be using my Ryobi impact with these just attached. Fun, that works well, and I've got some sandpaper and stuff there. So I'll just try and take it back to bare metal, and then I'll put some primer on it, and we'll see how rough it is, because some of it's pretty bad, but then some of it's actually alright. But we'll just have a look, and I'll set the camera up when I'm cleaning it up. Alrighty guys, so I managed to get that cleaned up a little bit. There's a bit more stuff. It's a lot more pitted than what I thought. Oh, there's still a fair bit of metal there. I mean, it's, if you can see those pinholes just there. But I'm not too concerned about like, that's not too structural. I say that loosely, like obviously it is structural, but that little pinhole's not going to do much, and it's not, the metal's not too bad. So I'm more concerned about just priming it for you know, in case it does get worse, because that will, if I don't do anything now, that will get worse. If I had a rust converter, I would probably put that on there now, or follow the instructions of the rust converter, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to prime it for now, see how, you know, keep watching it, and if I see it, you know, starting to get bad again, I will get some rust converter on that. But I think I might get tubs for this, so I'll just either fix that when I tub it, or if I get someone to tub it, I'll just get them to fix that at the same time. So it's looking a lot better, like through here, a lot better. I'm not going to worry about that today. I'm just going to worry about just in here a bit, because it's pretty bad. Like I said, it's bad there, but if I don't do anything, it's going to get bad along here. So I'm going to worry about there and just see if I can get it just primed. I'm going to have to sweep this out. I'll probably do that now. I ran out of battery, that's why I stopped. But yeah, and then just like, there's so much stuff in here, I'm gonna have to get all these cleaned up before I get any pain. At least try and sweep. If I had I have an air compressor, but it's, oh, actually, no, I'll use the air compressor actually, and I'll blow all this out. I'll give it a sweep first, and then I'll blow all this out with the air compressor. Cool. Okay, well, I'll come back when it's all clean. Alrighty guys, so I managed to get that all cleaned up. Oh, it's not perfect, but I'm pretty happy with it at the moment. If I had oh, my hand's dirty. If I had an extension cord that ran all the way, I would use one of them sanding discs for a grinder. They give a really nice finish. But look, I'm pretty happy with it for now, just to get a bit of primer on it and just protect it for a bit. So I'll set the camera up and I'll paint her up. So cool. Alrighty guys, so I managed to get some primer on there. I managed to do a massive run there as well. I'm not too concerned about laying it on too thick, because I'm going to come back over and sand it. And I think I might just fill this area in here. But I mean, overall it's looking a lot better. I mean, it's not perfect, it's the back of a ute, so I mean, like, if you're from Australia, you know that, you know, it's the back of a ute, you throw stuff in, so it's not going to be perfect. So I might eventually bedline on it, but at the moment I'm just trying to protect it from the rust. So, and that's done the job. So I mean, you can kind of get the gist, like, you know what I mean. You just got to get rid of the rust, and then just replace it with the paint. I mean, you can see it's still a bit pitted, but I mean, it's a lot better. So I'm quite happy with it. I mean, I only picked this ute up for $300, I think, or $350. So I mean, you know, what can you expect? I mean, if I paid more, I would have, you know, maybe expected better. But I also painted that, which was like this one. It was absolutely just terrible. Anyway, I just thought I might make that and show you guys how to repair rust, or just clean it up a little bit to prevent it from reoccurring, or, you know, eating your vehicle away before your eyes. Also, after I aired it, I wiped it down with alcoholic wipes. I'm not sure if they're what you should use, but I find that it just helps protect it a bit. Helps get the grease and all the bacteria, like all the, you know, oils and stuff off the surface before painting. So also I thought I might add that this is 2 coats, and the reason I didn't record it was I don't want to get overspray on my lens, as I don't have the lens protector at the moment. But when I get the lens protector, I will not hesitate to record stuff like that. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. It's better than looking at rust. So it's not perfect, but I mean, it's a lot better than rust. But anyway, cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good one.